Good morning. I'm coming back again. Just the way you loved it, every single time. I still set your place every morning. It's me. I made your favorite soup today. I know you're still listening for every meal we shared.
It tastes just like my grandmother's.
Then she must have cooked with love.
Mom, is someone calling?
Maybe. Let's find out. I know you. I'm all right now. Goodbye.
Can I visit you again someday?
My door and my kitchen will always be open. The secret ingredient is sharing it with someone.
I'll remember that. Next time, can you teach me your secret recipe?
Of course. One day, you'll teach it to someone else.